Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to use this Moray Beeswax. I've heard so much about it. I've seen lots of video on Instagram where people use it to lay their hair. So I'm going for a low bun today, and I decided to buy one on Amazon and try it. So I'm going to use this product, and I'm also going to use this eco styler here to do my edges. So this is what the eco styler looks like. When I got the Moray Beeswax, I was like, I thought it was soft, but it's kind of hard, to feel. So let's see whether this is going to work on my natural hair. So I went ahead and washed my hair. This is what my hair looks like after wash. And after that, I put my hair in big jumbo braid like this, to stretch it out. So after that, I waited for some hours to unravel it. So now I'm going to go ahead and unravel my hair, the whole head, to see how stretched my hair is before I start putting the product. So now this is what my hair looks after I finish sectioning. I'm going for a slightly part. It's going to be a part, but it's going to be not in the middle proper. So now I'm going to section my hair into 3 because I would like to work in sections to see how I can use this product to achieve this style. So yeah, I'm going to start from the back. I'll let you watch what I'm doing, then I'll come back and talk to you later. point I sprayed in a hairspray, this firm hold, extra firm hold. Then I'll go over the hair with my bristle brush to make sure that everything is laid down perfectly well. So far so good. This Beeswax really, you know, put my hair in a firm hold also, and I'm liking it. So I went ahead and just tied it down for a few minutes, you know, like so, before I come back to remove it and finish up. So now I want to use the Eco Styler to lay my edges. I'm not so good in this business of edge laying. It's not my thing at all, but I'm going to try for the purpose of this video to see if I can do this well. Then I'm going to go ahead and use some piece of hair I have around to put a knot at the back, and that will conclude this style. And if you ask me about this Beeswax Moray Australian product, to an extent I think it's nice, especially for a 4C hair. It's really nice. And this hair, my hair was like this for many days, and yeah, I like the result and the final look. Thanks so much guys for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.